Hi, this is my review of what I think is called the Aukuyee Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. Now, this comes in a box, and this is all that comes with it, really, and a little bit of instructions and a small recipe booklet. But this particular immersion circulator has a number of issues. I don't know if I want to, well, some are actually problems. So let's talk about those a little bit. First of all, it's got this handle on the top. I'm not sure why it's there. It's not really necessary. It does nothing except have a great big piece of this machine, which is used to hold this item around and haul it around, I guess. On other machines like the Wankel, which also have a handle, it is actually tied into this kind of gripping mechanism, and you can do that with the handle just by squeezing. This could have done easily by just having it lifted off the top like this. Now, the second problem with this is actually when it goes inside the pot, because this is supposed to hold it and it just basically slides. These indentations on here are designed to supposedly to hold the lip of a pot, but as you notice here, no matter where I try to put it on the lip of a pot, it just falls, and what ends up happening is it just flops around, and that's not a good thing. So let's talk about the actual features that it does have once it's working. So I'll plug it in. One of the issues that I have with this is that on other systems, as soon as you put the immersion circulator in the pot, if it's plugged in, it's going to give you the temperature. This one you have to turn on the power button down here, and the power button actually starts the immersion circulator. It's automatically set as a default to 2 hours cook. So whatever happened to have been on there previously for a temperature, you're going to have to set, and you'll also have to set the time. There is no Wi-Fi, there is no Bluetooth on this particular unit. Everything is manual. You can change the settings from Fahrenheit to centigrade by holding down the temperature bulb for about 10 seconds, and then it goes to centigrade. And there you have it. To set the time, you have to set this little timer over here, and then you have to set basically what you want. If you hold it, you'll get what you need, and it'll eventually climb up. The problem with this is if you're going to do a 24 or a 48-hour cook, you're not going to be able to do it with this one. You're going to have to come back and reset it to restart it. The other features that this has is that while it's operating, these buttons are barely useful, and as I said, you can check the temperature. You can set the temperature by just clicking the thermometer button and then putting it where it is. Now, according to some folks, this has a recalibration method, so it's not necessarily dead on with the temperature on the gauge, but there is a configuration that allows you to set that and make sure that it's setting the right temperature. I am personally not very happy with this. I've been doing sous vide for a long time. I own 2 Anova circulators as well as a Wankel, and this one I got for free to review and test. And I do that honestly, and I can say that if I was to have the opportunity to buy this, I probably wouldn't. That being said, for those of you that are on a serious budget and want to get into sous vide, this is a very inexpensive circulator, one of the most inexpensive on the market, and it is 1100 watts, which makes it a very powerful one. It'll get temperatures up in your water bath to speed in a hurry. So I don't intend to give this more than 2.5, maybe 3 stars, because it's just not up to par with a lot of other circulators that are on the market. So that's the Aukuyee Sous Vide water circulator for sous vide, and it looks nice. It's just not the best at all by any means. So make your own choice. Hi, thanks for watching this video. If you got some value out of this video, would you do us a favor and hit that like button below? We'd really appreciate it. We're building out this channel and plan to make 3 videos a week, 1 how-to, 1 cooking, and 1 review. If you'd like to subscribe, we'd love to have you. Hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified whenever we upload a new video, you can hit the little bell next to the subscribe button as well, and you'll be notified every time we post a video. We're building it out. We're getting better as we go, and we look forward to having you here. Take care. Bon appetit.